Okay, so number one, how can you define a simple root in Laravel and what it would be a real life example? A a simple root defines a URL path and what should be returned. Yeah. Okay, number two, how 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 do name roots work in Laravel and how might you see them in a real world application? Name roots allow calling roots by name instead of URL. Number three, what is the purpose of root groups in Laravel and how might they be used? So, root group root groups organize roots and apply shared settings. Number four, how does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware filters requests before they reach the root. And number five, how can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection in Laravel? CSRF protection secures from submissions from fake requests.